wish you a very happy Independence Day on behalf of the management, staff of DAV Public School Habib. It is wonderful to see the enthusiasm of these lovely children on this day, and we are thankful to all our freedom fighters for this greatest gift of freedom to all of us. We pay our homage to all the freedom fighters, and we are thankful to all those who gave their lives to keep us safe, to keep us free of thought, of action.
मैं भारतवर्ष का हरदम सम्मान करती रहूंगी। मैं भारतवर्ष का हरदम सम्मान करती रहूंगी। यहाँ की चांदनी मिट्टी का गुणगान करती हूँ। यहाँ की चांदनी मिट्टी का गुणगान करती हूँ। मुझे चिंता नहीं है मेरे स्वर्ग जाकर मोक्ष पाने की। मुझे चिंता नहीं है मेरे स्वर्ग जाकर मोक्ष पाने की। तिरंगा मेरा कफन हो, तिरंगा मेरा कफन हो, बस यही अरमान रखती हूँ, बस यही अरमान रखती हूँ। Good morning to all, myself Parnika of class 10th A. As we all know that India gained independence on 15 August 1947 after a long struggle. To relive the moment and to enjoy the freedom and independence, we celebrate Independence Day. The another reason is to remember the sacrifices and the lives we have lost during this struggle. Besides, we celebrate it to remind us that the freedom that we enjoy is earned the hard way. Apart from that, the celebration wakes up the patriot inside us. The young generation is acquainted with the struggles of the people who led at that time. Independence Day inspires our nation to remember those people who laid their lives cheerfully for the cause of nation. We all have to be proud to as a citizen of India, and we are living in such a diverse country like India. Again, a very happy independence to all. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
For almost 2 centuries, Britishers ruled over our country, and the people of our country suffered a lot due to these oppressors. British officials treated us like slaves until we managed to fight back against them. We struggled for our independence and worked tirelessly and selflessly under the guidance of our leaders Shri Jawaharlal Nehru, Chandrasekhar Azad, Mahatma Gandhi, Subhash Chandra Bose and Bhagat Singh. Some of these leaders choose the path of non-violence, while some choose the path of violence. But the ultimate aim of all these was to drive out Britishers from our country. And on 15th August 1947, the long-awaited dream came true.
I wish you all a very happy 74th Independence Day. We every year celebrate 15th August to mark India's independence. The independence that we are taking for granted never come to us served on a plate. Lots of people have sacrificed their lives for the sake of nation. Let us be honest towards our duties and respect everyone and inculcate the same values among our children. We should take oaths to keep ourselves loyal and patriotic and to serve the nation in this pandemic situation by cooperating each other in every possible way. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
We celebrate Independence Day as the national festival of India. The day marks the anniversary of national independence from the British Empire on 15 August 1947. The day is most auspicious for the people of India as India became independent after lots of hardships and sacrifices of the brave Indian freedom fighters. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, who had spent prime time of his life in the British jails while fighting against the mighty British Empire, became the first Prime Minister of India and unfurled the national flag on the ramparts of Red Fort in Delhi at 12 a.m. as 0 hour for 15 August started on this day in 1947. He called the movement India's priesthood destiny.
New India is a mission to take our country forward and resolve to build a new nation. Prime Minister Narendra Modi said, "We are nurturing our youth to be a job creator and not just job seekers." He has taken many big steps for the development of India. For example, demonetization and GST, which can change the whole economy of India. India is our motherland and we all should respect our motherland. We all are the sons of this mother. We should always ready to protect our nation by bad people. We should take an oath today for being highly responsible and to be highly educated for the tomorrow India. It is the responsibility of every people of this nation to make India the best country of this world.
Happy Independence Day. This year we are celebrating 74th Independence Day, and every year we celebrate this day to pay homage, tribute to our armed forces and to our martyrs. Since independence, we have seen great progress from the field of agriculture to industries, from earth to outer space, and many more inventions. But this year, we are facing a big challenge, a big problem of COVID-19. And due to this, many people have lost their jobs too. So this is the time for our all countrymen to stand together for working hard and make our country progress again. We cannot let our freedom fighters' blood go like that. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, proud to be Indian.
Small functions are held in many towns and cities and even in some big villages. In state capitals, the chief ministers, and at other places governors and other dignitaries such as deputy commissioners, senior police officers, mayor of municipal corporation, etc. hosted the flag. The army moved to Red Fort and there are countless spectators who watch this celebration every year. In many big cities, on all government buildings, national flag is hosted every year. Sometimes national flag unfurled by many government officials and ministers.
Celebration attracts a large number of people who watch this celebration in zest and perfect joy. Sometimes we witness fireworks at night. The government buildings are well lit up for the night. Independence Day inspires our nation to remember those who laid down their lives cheerfully for the cause of the nation. Subhash Chandra Bose, Sardar Bhagat Singh, Chandrasekhar Azad, and many other revolutionaries.
आँख खुले तो धरती हिंदुस्तान की, जब आँख खुले तो धरती हिंदुस्तान की हो, जब आँख बंद हो तो यादें हिंदुस्तान की, जब आँख बंद हो तो यादें हिंदुस्तान की। हम मर भी जाए तो कोई गम नहीं, हम मर भी जाए तो कोई गम नहीं, मरते वक्त मिट्टी हिंदुस्तान की, मरते वक्त मिट्टी हिंदुस्तान की। स्वतंत्रता दिवस की हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं। जय हिंद, जय भारत।
School and colleges, the president of managing committee or the principal of institution concerned to do ceremony. In all the cases, the function always be end with IP, the recitation of national anthem with due respect and regard.